So how do you come up with ideas and topics and things like that if you are a fitness professional when it's time for you to create content for Instagram and TikTok? Welcome to the Empower Your Fitness Empire YouTube channel. So if you have not already, I did shoot a video where I was talking about how to take, one live video and repurpose it across multiple platforms and to get multiple pieces of content from that actual one live video. Okay. But also you still want to be able to, show other, sides of your personality, maybe do some things on the go, right? Or you still want to just be creative, right? Because at the end of the day, right, like even though like your profession is fitness, right? There go Coach Caprice. What's up, Coach Caprice? Your profession is fitness, right? But in 2022, building a business and a brand online, yes, you are a marketer. It is what it is, all right? You are a marketer, all right? So you still want to be able to be creative. And how do you get those creative juices flowing? How do you get them going? So I'm gonna share with like a quick few things that I do, right? So one, I get, writer's block, what I'm saying? I get to a point where, I'm like, yo, I'm just not feeling that much creative right now, right? Usually movement works for me, right? Like I'll go to the gym, I'll usually train legs, right? Like I'll go to the gym, I get my blood flowing going, right? And I'll have a good workout, and then actually like during that workout, I'll start to like kind of write down topic ideas and things like that, right? And usually I'll go in my car when I'm done with my workout and I'll write down some more, right? Or I'll write down some more bullet points for that piece of content. I go home, I shower, then I start shooting content. So that works for me. Second, sometimes just taking a step back. Like just shutting it completely down, not doing anything. Because sometimes the last thing you want to do is force things and then you show up out of alignment in your content, right? And now your audience isn't receiving the message well, right? And that's the last thing you want to do. Of course, it will happen, right? Because we're all human. But when as you start to really get into it, you'll start to identify when you are out of alignment. And then you kind of got to just shut shit down, at that point. Lastly, what I'll do is I'll go back and I'll look at like past coaching calls, sales calls, right? Because at the end of the day, the best content to get is from the source, right? Like your customers, your prospects, your superstar clients, right? Just ask them more questions and things like that. And another thing, what it'll help you do, it'll help you with optimizing your curriculum, right? Because if you have a high ticket fitness offer, right, you need to have curriculum. So to help you optimize that, but it'll also help you optimize your content. Because now you have other topics, other new problems that arise. And at different parts of the season, like your customers, your clients and your prospects, they'll all have different problems in different seasons, especially for fitness. Wintertime, spring, summer, fall, right? Kids are in school, kids are not, vacation, traveling, right? Like you got different things that are happening in people's lives and you got different problems. So you can come up with different topics, Those are some of the things that I do, outside of just doing a live video. Live video is kind of like the go-to thing, like do a live, repurpose things from that. And I'll also listen to my live. So if I do a live, so I also repurpose like my lives into podcasts and into, where we at right now on YouTube, right? So I'll go back and I'll listen to it, like the entire thing, right? I'll listen to it and I'll see the parts that I actually want to, take out and repurpose. I mean, we have a team to do that now, right? But those are still things that I like to do that will give me inspiration, give me topics. Because at the end of the day, if you are repurposing your own content or you got a team doing it, you still are the person that's being creative and you still got to go and shoot those creatives. Just wanted to share that with y'all. Hopefully you found something from it and you can implement it. Let me know if you found this video helpful. If so, like, subscribe to the channel, and share this with another fitness professional that needs to see this, and I will see you in the next video.